Hi, guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. If you have been watching me for a while, you know that I have an obsession with crescent rolls. I absolutely love to use them to my advantage when I want something savory or something sweet, but like super quickly. So today we are going to be making a chocolate pistachio spread crescent roll. These are phenomenal. They are easy, they're delicious, and I'm not a negative thing to say about them. So let's get started.